Strange things happen in space, but sometimes something so abnormal occurs that even experienced scientists are left speechless. Today, you'll learn about a mystery officially considered one of the most inexplicable events in modern astronomy. The story of a star that simply vanished. No explosion, no traces. As if someone just switched it off from reality. In 2019, astronomers observing the galaxy NGC 6946 discovered something incredible. This galaxy is known as the Fireworks Galaxy. It is literally overflowing with supernova explosions. Something is always blowing up there. And among dozens of bright stars, one was especially interesting. A blue supergiant, a star about 25 times more massive than the Sun. Such stars don't live long, but they die spectacularly. A supernova explosion, a gigantic flare, an outburst of brilliant light. But one day, while examining new images of the galaxy, astronomers noticed the impossible. The star had disappeared. It's important to understand, the star could not have simply gone out. It was so massive that its life had to end in a colossal explosion visible from millions of light years. But there was no explosion, no flash signal, no burst of energy, and, most importantly, no trace of what the star had become. Imagine you're looking at a lighthouse through a telescope, a beacon that had been shining for thousands of years, and in a single moment, it simply stops existing. No smoke, no collapse, nothing. Perfect emptiness. Astronomers observed the star for more than 10 years. At first, it was bright, a typical supergiant. Then its light began to fade, and at some point, it began disappearing gradually. Scientists thought the core is collapsing, a supernova is about to happen. But the explosion never came. And when, several years after the dimming, scientists took a new image, the star was gone, completely. This wasn't a mistake. It wasn't a glitch in the telescope. They checked dozens of times. The star vanished literally between observations. According to astrophysics, mass is the main factor that determines a star's fate. If a star is heavier than 8 solar masses, it must die as a supernova. If it's heavier than 20, it's almost guaranteed. Blue supergiants with 25 solar masses always end their life in a catastrophic explosion. This is a fact confirmed by dozens of observations. But the object N6946-BH1, as it is now called, broke all the rules. It should have lit up the galaxy with a brilliant flash. Instead, it quietly dissolved. The first attempt to explain the anomaly was simple. There was an explosion, it was just obscured by a cloud of cosmic dust. Sounds logical. If a thick layer of dust was between us and the star, we might have missed the flash. But this version was quickly rejected. 1. An exonova would still be visible in the infrared range. 2. No heated dust clouds were detected. 3. No remnants of an explosion were found. Dust is a bad explanation. It wouldn't hide such a powerful catastrophic event. Today, this version is considered the leading one. The star may have quietly collapsed into a black hole, meaning the star did not die as a supernova, but simply crushed itself under its own gravity. Its entire mass fell inward, forming a black hole, and there were almost no external effects. This process is called a failed supernova. Theoretically, it's possible, but before 2019, no one had ever seen one directly. N6946-BH1 became the first real candidate. If a star quietly turns into a black hole, it should at least eject some of its outer layers, emit a strong stream of infrared radiation, and leave a faint but measurable afterglow. But observations show none of this is present. This means either we witnessed a perfectly clean collapse, which is almost impossible, or something happened that science does not yet understand. Possible explanations include collapse into exotic matter, such as a quark star or a boson star, objects whose existence remains unproven. Transition into another region of space. Theories suggest black holes may act as throats leading to other universes. Fading through core decay without a supernova, a model being studied but not confirmed. Observational error. Repeatedly ruled out. Data was checked by multiple research groups over many years. Today, N6946-BH1 is regularly monitored by major observatories. Every year, scientists search for even the faintest signs of activity, but the object remains dark, as if a black hole truly formed there, and the star disappeared from our universe without a single burst. The vanished star has become one of the most mysterious astronomical events of our time. It has shown us that the universe can behave in ways we are not prepared for. And if a massive star can simply disappear, who knows what other secrets space is hiding? Subscribe so you don't miss more stories about the most mysterious phenomena in the universe.